Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 1 Learn Good, Be Good. Chapter Road Signs. Write what these road signs stand for using the help box. Okay, let me start. Number 1 Ahead only. Number 1 Ahead only. Number 2 Turn left. Number 3 Zigzag road. Okay, next. Number 4 is no entry. Number 5 no overtaking. Number 6 no motor vehicles. Number 7 no U turn. Number 8 no parking. Number 9 zebra crossing. Number 10 speed breaker ahead. Number 11 road narrow ahead. Number 12 men at work. मतलब काम चल रहा है. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now we will be let's begin the next chapter. A journey by train. So this chapter only for reading. Suppose it is summer vacation. You are visiting your grandparents' place with your parents. Take right the activities you will do and cross the ones you will not. While preparing for the journey, I pack my clothes properly with the help of my parents. Yes. Pack other necessities like a water bottle, medicines, snacks, etc. Yes. Pack the equipment of some family games like playing cards to play on the way. Yes. Wear expensive and loose fitting clothes. No. Leave home with empty stomach. Galat. Pack unnecessary goods. No. Bring toys and gifts for your younger brother and sister. Yes. B. While at the railway station, I will run here and there. No. Stay with my parents while waiting for the train. Yes. Enjoy some food items sold by the hawkers there. Food or enjoy some foods items. No, no. Stand very close to the railway line when the train arrives. No. Wait for the passengers to get out first before entering the coach. Spit at the platform. No. Inside the train, I will. Talk in low voice so that the other passengers do not get disturbed. Yes. Keep the fruit peels, toffee wrappers, paper cups, etc. in a separate bag so that I can throw away later. Yes. Play or fiddle with the electric switches, chains, etc. No. Stick my arms or the body parts out of the window. No. Very bad. Eat something only if I am very hungry. Yes. It is correct. Okay, so these are the habits, good and bad. हम travel करते हैं. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Our identity. Fill in the blanks. You may use the help box. Okay, so let we start. This is a dash card. It shows that you are old enough to vote. Voter ID. Voter ID. This is a dash card. Every Indian citizen who pays taxes should have one. PAN card. This is a dash. All the people who drive required one. Driving license. This is a dash. You will need the document if you want to travel outside India. Passport. This is a dash card. It is a 12-digit unique identification number issued by the Indian government to every individual resident of India in the form of a card. Aadhaar. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter is being honest. Experiential learning. Being honest is the hallmark of a good individual. A person of good character is invariably an honest person. And character is destiny. Great men like Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi, etc. were famous for their honesty. Some situations that come across in our day-to-day lives are given below. Write what you will do in such situations. Your friend comes to your house to play. She forgets the toy at your home. You like the toy very much. So everyone, dear students, this points doing by you, है ना, done by you. ओके, सो आप कैसा फील करते हो अगर ऐसी सिचुएशंस आपके सामने आ जाए. You are at a stationery shop to buy some books. The bookseller returns you extra change buying mistake. तो उस सिचुएशन में आप क्या करते हैं? तो वो आपको अपना थॉट बताना है. Then you are all alone in the classroom and find some money lying on the floor. आपको पैसे पड़े हुए मिले हैं कुछ क्लास में, तो आप उसका क्या करोगे? ये थॉट आप लिखेंगे. In a test, your teacher has given you an extra mark by mistake. And number 5 is your mother gave you some money to buy some vegetables. You have spent it to enjoy some snacks and cold drinks. Okay, everyone? तो ये आपको अपने अपने थॉट्स, हर बच्चे का अलग अलग सिचुएशन, अलग अलग थॉट्स होती है, तो आपको अपने थॉट्स खुद लिखने हैं. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Communication skills. Communication is the process by which information is exchanged between individuals. It is very important for everyone to develop good communication skills. The following tips will help you to develop your communication skills. Communicate with confidence, make eye to eye contact, listen carefully to what the other person is saying. Do not interrupt when the other person is speaking. Speak clearly and do not mumble. Pronounce words correctly with appropriate volume, use gestures, make your whole body talk. Practice to improve your communication skills with your friends and family. Make the audience understand your voice at the very first go so that you don't need to repeat. Use words that are familiar. Slow down your speech where necessary. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. A true friend. So let me start. A true friend accepts you as you truly are and helps you become what you are capable of becoming. Right? Yes or no for the following. Number one, a true friend helps you in your studies if you are not doing well in the class. Yes. If a friend of you holds a grudge against you, she is your true friend. No. A true friend is one who does not share anything with you. No. A true friend will never be scared to tell the truth, no matter how difficult it may be. Yes. A friend who criticizes you behind your back is your true friend. No. A true friend always supports you even if you are in a bad deed. No. A true friend does not need to apologize even if she is in the wrong. No. A true friend cheers you up when you are upset and makes you happy. Yes. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter is test your manner. Okay. Right? Yes or no. Decision making. If someone praises us, we should never forget to say that thank you. Yes. In a park, we should not allow other children to share the swings and slides. No. If we stay overnight at our relative's place, we should make up the bed and tidy the room. Yes. If someone introduces us to somebody, we should look down at the floor. No. गलत है ये. If we lose a game, we should say well done to our opponent. Yes. When we make a phone call, we should first greet the person who attends the call. Yes. If our parents have an argument, we should tell our neighbors about it. No. If we visit a restaurant and do not find an empty seat, we should stand near the people who are eating. No. If we go out to play, we should go be back home before it is dark. Yes. Before entering a lift, we should allow the people inside the lift to come out. Yes. Okay. So, dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.